Good morning, everyone. I'm going to talk about the impact of personal carbon footprint in your planet. For to talk about the impact of personal carbon footprint in your planet and the actions that a human being should take in order to offset the carbon dioxide emissions, first, I want to talk about what is a carbon footprint. The carbon footprint is one of the simplest ways to measure the impact or the mark that a person leaves on the planet in their daily lives. It is a count of the emissions of carbon dioxide CO2 which are released into the atmosphere due to your daily activities or the commercializations of a product. Therefore, the carbon footprint is the measure of the impact caused by human activities in the environment, and it is determined by the amount of greenhouse gas emissions produced measures in the unit of carbon dioxide equivalent. To fully compensate your environmental impact is really difficult, if not impossible. When we consume fossil fuels, we are rapidly depleting capital that nature has taken a billion of years to accumulate. The rate of CO2 absorption of, for example, the vegetation cannot equal in any case, to speed at which we emit the gases that carries the greenhouse effect. If we consider the natural cycles under the geological time scale, the action of the plant could be assimilable only to a carbon reserve of a temporary nature. We must therefore make decisions to avoid unnecessary energy consumption. We must understand that the environmental crisis generated by human societies in the last century goes beyond global warming, and effort are needed in other areas in addition to the simple reduction of carbon emissions. In this context, many of the measures proposed as compensation actions for carbon emissions work with appropriate and sustainable long-term technologies such as renewable energies or diverse ecological benefits such as the recovery of forest areas. Thus, despite the fact that compensation is not possible if these emissions reduction projects are preceded by real reduction actions and have favorable environmental sequences, it would be worth putting them into practice. Thank you for watching.